Welcome back to GT Auto, the 2025 Honda CR-V, a vehicle that continues to impress in the compact SUV segment. The 2025 Honda CR-V has undergone some subtle but significant changes that make it look more refined and modern. It features a wider stance with sleek, sharp lines that give it a sportier look compared to the previous generation. The front grille is bolder and the LED headlights and taillights are slimmer, giving it a more premium appearance. The 2025 CR-V offers a range of engine options depending on the trim you choose. The base model comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which produces 190 horsepower and 179 lb-ft of torque. This engine strikes a great balance between power and efficiency, providing enough pep for daily driving and highway merging without sacrificing too much fuel economy. As for pricing, the 2025 Honda CR-V starts at around $30,000 for the base model. If you opt for higher trims like the XL or Touring, the price can go up to around $38,000 or more, especially if you choose the hybrid version. The new CR-V comes in a variety of vibrant colors, and depending on the trim, you also get stylish 18-inch or 19-inch wheels. The cabin of the 2025 CR-V is both spacious and comfortable. One of the standout features is the high-quality materials used throughout, from the soft-touch dashboard to the premium upholstery options in the higher trims. The layout is clean and straightforward, which makes it easy to find all the controls without any distraction. The front seats offer ample support and comfort with plenty of adjustability for all drivers, and there's also a good amount of legroom and headroom in both the front and rear seats. For those looking for a bit more performance, the CR-V Hybrid is also available. The hybrid powertrain consists of a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 204 horsepower. The hybrid option offers more torque and improved fuel efficiency, making it a solid choice for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing performance. This includes the Honda Sensing Suite, which comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. So, what's the final verdict? The 2025 Honda CR-V continues to be one of the best compact SUVs available. It offers a great balance of style, performance, and practicality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this.